사람 성격 같이 놀면 재밌는 그런 거 많이 보거든요.
Physical plays Tuesday and Thursday. Good job. Should we
Wait,
have a
Thursday.
contest?
Where you can buy like really nice clothes. Ew! Stop being gross. Next moment.